In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Jotform in Elementor. By the end, you'll have your Jotform displaying cleanly on your WordPress page, and you won't need any extra plugins or code beyond what you already have. First, we'll grab the embed code from Jotform. Sign into your Jotform account, head to My Forms, and open the form you want to display. Look for the Share option, then choose Embed. Here you'll see different embedding choices. The recommended option is Embed Without Scroll, which keeps everything in one smooth page and helps avoid those double scroll bars that can make a form feel cramped. If your site has heavier styling or you've seen conflicts with themes or plugins before, the iframe option is a reliable alternative because it sandboxes the form from the rest of your page's CSS. Either way works. Pick the one that best fits your site. Once you've chosen, copy the embed code provided. Make sure you grab the entire snippet from start to finish so nothing gets cut off. Next, we'll place that code in Elementor. Log into your WordPress dashboard and head to the page where you want the form to appear. Click Edit with Elementor to open the visual builder. In the widget panel, search for the HTML widget, then drag and drop it into the section where your form should go. Click inside the HTML box, paste your Jotform embed code, and give it a second to load. You should see the form appear instantly in the preview. If you don't, double check that the code was pasted exactly as copied and that there are no extra characters. When everything looks right, click Update to save your changes. A few quick tips to make your form look its best. If you use the iframe option and the form looks cut off, adjust the height value in the code so the entire form is visible without an internal scroll bar. Use Elementor's responsive preview to check how the form looks on desktop, tablet, and mobile. The Embed Without Scroll option typically adapts well, but it's still worth a quick look. If you're using caching or a performance plugin, you may need to clear your cache to see the latest version on the front end. That's all there is to it. You copied the embed code from Jotform, pasted it into an Elementor HTML widget, and saved your page. Your form should now be live and ready for submissions.